George Washington, the first U.S. President, 1789-1797. American Heritage, A. Dictionary.com, EYA. Blend. D. A. Day. A. Ray. Rain. Th. A. They. A. T. 8. Number 8. K. A. Cake. Cake. E is silent. John Adams, the second U.S. President, 1797-1801. E. American Heritage, E. Dictionary.com. The double E makes the E sound. E. M. E. T. Meat. Ch. E. Chi. Chief. K. E. Key. S. E. C. Sh. E. She. Thomas Jefferson, the third U.S. President, 1801-1809. I. American Heritage. I. Dictionary.com. Blend. B. I. Buy. I. Ride. Ride. E is silent. H. I. High. P. I. Pie. E is silent. M. I. My. GH is silent also. James Madison, the fourth U.S. President, 1809-1817. Long O sounds like O, O. Dictionary.com. O-H, O, O. G. O, go. T. O, toe. B. O, boat. Boat. P. O, pole. Pole. E is silent. Sn. Oh, snow. Oh. James Monroe, the fifth U.S. President, 1817-1825. Yeah. Ooh, you. American Heritage. Yeah. Ooh, you. D.C. You. T. Ah, Utah. You. Z. Use. E is silent. You. Ooh, you. You. N. E. T. Unit. You. Yun. Y. Yun. Union. John Quincy Adams, the sixth U.S. President, 1825-1829. Short A sounds like D.C. Huh. Hat. Hat. Huh. Hat. D. Hat. P. Pa. Pan. K. Cap. P. Cap. T. Tag. Tag. Short A. Andrew Jackson, the seventh U.S. President, 1829-1837. Short E sounds like red, red. Set, set. H. Hair, hen. P. Pet, pet. Egg, egg. One of the G's is silent. Martin Van Buren, The 8th U.S. President, 1837-1841. I. Short I sounds like I, huh, I, d, head, s, sit, sit, f, fig, fig, ch, chick, chick, p, pin. Short I sounds like short O. William Harrison, the 9th U.S. President, March to April of 1841. Short O sounds like ah, huh, ha, t, hot, l, la, g, log, n, na, t, not, p, pa, d, pod, s, sa, b, sob. Short O sounds. Short U sounds like John Tyler, the 10th U.S. President, 1841-1845. U, American Heritage, U, in the upside down E is also the schwa sound, but DC, schwa sound is UH. B, b, s, bus. S, sa, sun. N, n, t, nut. G, g, gum. K, b, cub. The schwa sound. Long double O sounds like woo. James Polk, the 11th U.S. President, 1845-1849. American Heritage, double O with a line over the top. DC, double O. N, ooh, new. Blah, ooh, blue. J, ooh, juice. Juice. E is silent. M, ooh, moon. N, moon. K, ooh, cube. B, cube. E is silent. Zachary Taylor, the 12th U.S. President, 1849-1850. Short double O sounds like wood, wood. B, book, book. P, put. Woof, woof. L is silent. F, foot, foot. Millard Fillmore, the 13th U.S. President, 1850-1853. R controlled by all the sounds. G, gur, all, girl. H, her. W, work, work. S, sir, surf. Earth, earth. All of the sounds. At the end of a word. Millard Fillmore again. At the end of a word. American Heritage is the schwa sound with the R. Dictionary.com is the ER to E. Teacher. Chur. Teacher. H, her. W, wa, t. Ter. Water. D, da, k, doc. T, ter. Doctor. D, da, dog. L, ler, dollar. ER at the end. Our control by air. Franklin Pierce, the 14th U.S. President, 1853-1857. Air, air, air. B, air, bear. D, air, dear. Ch, air, chair. F, air, there. K, air, care. James Buchanan, the 15th U.S. President, 1857-1861. R control, R sound. P, park, park. St, star. K, car. Sm, smart, smart. J, jar. Okay, take our control vowel or. Abraham Lincoln, the 16th U.S. President, 1861-1865. American Heritage, O-R. And the O-R, or. M, or, more. F, or, for. F, or, for. D, or, door. P, or, port, port. The O-R. Andrew Johnson, the 17th U.S. President, 1865-1869. Oi, O-I, oi, and O-Y, oi. American Heritage and Dictionary.com. The oi sounds look just alike in the dictionary sound box. P, oi, poi, point. B, oi, boy. K, oi, koi, coin. T, oi, toy. B, oi, boy, boil, boil the egg, boil egg. O-U-R-O-W-R. Ulysses S. Grant, the 18th U.S. President, 1869-1877. O-U-R and O-W-R. American Heritage and Dictionary.com. The O-U-R represent all the owl sounds. K, ow, cow. Ow, out. H, ow, how. Cl, ow, cloud, cloud. W, ow, wow. K. Rutherford B. Hayes, the 19th U.S. President, 1877-1881. Diphthong, A-U-R and A-W-R. American Heritage, O with a house over the top. Dictionary.com, A-W Teachers Dictionary. K, cause, cause. E is silent. L, la. P, pause, pause. E is silent. S, sa. P, pa. His name is Pa. James A. Garfield, the 20th U.S. President, 1881. Consonant B. B sounds like B. B. As in B. Ba, ball. One of the L's is silent. B. Oi, boy. B. Bad, bad. B. Big, big. B. Boat, boat. Chester A. Arthur, the 21st U.S. President, 1881-1885. Consonant D sounds like D, 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 as in D. Ah, da, oh, dog. One of the L's is silent. D. Ah, da, g, dog. D. Ah, da, d, dad. D. E, dig, dig. D. Duck, duck. Grover Cleveland, the 22nd U.S. President, 1885-1889. Consonant F. F sound like f, 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 f. A, fat, fat. F, f, fun. F, a, fog, fog. F, oi, foy, foil. F, ow, foul, foul ball. Benjamin Harrison, the 23rd U.S. President, 1889-1893. G sounds like g, 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 as in g. Oh, go, g. Oh, go, old, gold, g. Ah, got, short of, g. A, gay, game. E is silent. G. Gus, Gus. Yes. Grover Cleveland again, the 24th U.S. President, 1893-1897. H sounds like ha, 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 ha. Ah, hot, hot. Ha. Ow, how, house. E is silent. Ha. Or, horse. E is silent. Ha. Hey, hey. Ha. A, hat, hat. Yes. William McKinley, the 25th U.S. President, 1897-1901. J sounds like J, 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 J. J, jump, J. Ooh, juice, juice. He is silent. J. Just, J. Oi, joy, J. Job, job. Yes. Theodore Roosevelt, the 26th U.S. President, 1901-1909. K sound like k, 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 k. Kite, kite. E is silent. K. A, K. K. E, K. Kim. K. Oi, koi. B. A, bake, bake. He is silent. Theodore Roosevelt. William Taft, the 27th U.S. President, 1909-1913. L sounds like L, 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 L at the beginning of a word. L. Lot, lot. L. A, lake, lake. He is silent. L. E, leaf, leaf. L. O, load, load. L. I, like, E is silent. L at the beginning of a word. William Taft again. A baby L at the middle or at the middle or at the end of a word. Sounds like m e me meal. H o ho ho. E is silent. W I y wow. E is silent. F e fee fill. S oi soy soil. L at the end sounds. Woodrow Wilson, the 28th U.S. President, 1913-1921. M sounds like m, 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 m. E, me, meal. M, ma, mom. M, ma, man. M, ow, mouse. E is silent. M, a, may. Warren G. Harding, the 29th U.S. President, 1921-1923. N sounds like n, n. Oi, noise, noise. E is silent. Let's make Z sound. N, not, not. N, nut, nut. N, ow, now. N, nice, nice. E is silent. Orange. Calvin Coolidge, the 30th U.S. President, 1923-1929. Consonant P, 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 p. Pass, pass. S is silent. P, pot, pot. P, pour. P, pet, pet. P, pie. E is silent. Pie. Calvin Coolidge. Herbert Hoover, the 31st U.S. President, 1929-1933. QU, qua, qua. It's a KW, qua, 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 qua. Quack, quack. Qua. Quick, quick. Qua. Quote, quote. E is silent. Qua. Quest, quest. Qua. Quiet, quiet. Franklin D. Roosevelt, the 32nd U.S. President, 1933-1945. Rat, rat. Right, right. E is silent. Root, root. Rest, rest. Row. OW can sound. Harry S. Truman, the 33rd U.S. President, 1945-1953. S. Son. Seat. S. Suit. Soon. S. A. Sad. Sad. S. Sa. Harry S. Dwight D. Eisenhower, the 34th U.S. President, 1953-1961. T. 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 Top. P. Top. T. O. Toad. Toad. T. Tune. Tune. T. A. Tape. Tape. E is silent. T. E. T. John F. Kennedy, the 35th U.S. President, 1961-1963. V sounds like V, V, V. H. A. Have. How. E is silent. V. O. Vote. Vote. E is silent. V. Oi. Voice. Voice. E is silent. V. A. Vase. Vase. E is silent. V. Ow. Vow. John F. Kennedy. Lyndon B. Johnson, the 36th U.S. President, 1963-1969. W sounds like W, 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 W. E, we, will. L is silent. W, was, was. W, wax, wax. W, wa, want. W, ow, wow. Richard M. Nixon, the 37th U.S. President, 1969-1974. Y sounds like y, 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 y. Yeah, yeah. L is silent. Y. Oh, your, or, your. Y. E, year, ear. Y. Yard, yard. Y. You. Which? Gerald R. Ford, the 38th U.S. President, 1974-1977. Z sounds like Z, 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 Z. E, zig, zig. Z. A, zag, zag. Z. E, z, O, row, zero. Z. E, z, p, zip. Z. Zoo. Gerald R. James E. Carter, the 39th U.S. President, 1977-1981. CH sounds like ch, 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 ch. Chop, chop. Ch. Oi, choice, choice. E is silent. Ch. E, cheese, cheese. E is silent. Chat, chat. Ch. A, chase, chase. He is silent. James E. Carter. Ronald Reagan, the 40th U.S. President, 1981-1989. SH sound like shh, 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 shh. Ah, shop, shop. Sh, oh, show. Sh, I, shy. Sh, e, sheep, sheep. Sh, a, shake, shake. E is silent. Ronald Reagan. George Bush, the 41st U.S. President, 1989-1993. Th, voice. Th, th, th. The, th. In, then. Th. A, they. Th. Oh, so, z, those. He is silent. Th. Air, there. George Bush, the 41st U.S. President. William Jefferson Clinton, the 42nd U.S. President, 1993-2001. Th, unvoiced, sounds like p, a, pa, path. E, think, think. S, ow, south, south. Th, third, third. E, teeth, teeth. William J. Clinton. George W. Bush, the 43rd U.S. President, 2001-2009. ZH sound. Z, z. A, z, Asia. V, E, V, S, E, vision, vision, oh, vision, okay. Tr, E, tre, Z, treasure. E is silent. Cl, O, clo, Z, closure. G, E is silent. G, G, Raj, garage. He is silent. George W. Bush, no child left behind. Yes. Barack H. Obama, the 44th U.S. President, 2009. F, F, finger, stir, straw, strong, s, sung, l, la, long, k, k, king. Yes. Barack Obama again. Okay, N when the G is not seen. K, anchor. G, angle. E is silent. E, gl. Ish, English. T, ta, tang. G, go, tango. K, call, uncle. E is silent. When you're blending ing is but when you hear it in a word, it's just It's like you say the N sound but when you say the G, just let the N roll a little longer.